Hello everyone, I'm Jade Chen. Welcome to my video maker channel in YouTube. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a wire ring with a jade. Okay, let's see what's the tool and the material we need today. So, you need a channel plier, bell-shaped plier, and flash cutter. You need a hammer. You need a ring measure. For example, for me, I use 19. Oh, 18. 18 is fit my finger. And you need the manual here. So we need two copper wire. So this one is thinner, this one is thicker. So the thinner one we use 0.4 millimeter, and the thicker one we use 1.2 millimeter. So let's go and see how to make it. So we must double check with our size for the finger. So it's 18 as I said before. Now I take the wire, the copper wire, and use the manual. So because I was used is 18, so I use bigger. So I take 24. Wrap around on the manual. And use the cutter. Cut it. Sorry. Here again. So I use the bell-shaped plier. Okay, and take it back a little bit. And here the same. So channel plier. So we need a manual again. we adjust a little bit. Okay, we chose a B, this one. Because I had made one of these, so this time I show you with a smaller size. So use the wire, go through and bend it gently, and then the back through in, make it tight. Okay, so we wrap 1, 2, and 3, and this side also. 1, 2, and 3 round. Okay, we make it more tiny. So we adjust a little bit. So one more time. I'm going to cut it. So we cut it outside, but lock in the inside in the ring. Also here, one more time. Also cut it. So maybe more smooth, more flat, so that not harm to our finger. Oh, it's perfect. So how nice. Very nice. 打开屏幕，关闭录像。So, after a few minutes, we already finished our ring. You see how nice? So, that's all of today. If you like my video, please give me a like below here. Okay, I'm Jade Chen. So see you again next time. Bye bye.